welcome to Cecily Studio YouTube channel at Meadows of Dan, right off of the Blue Ridge Parkway. This is the Concord Corner Store, and wow, they do have local products. They have a wraparound porch that you can sit on and enjoy yourself, or go inside and take your time and shop. They have everything. It's very, very cool, very, very friendly, and yeah, lots of little rooms with coffee, beer, soaps, lotions, furniture, quilts, rugs, clothing, shoes, woodworking, everything. It's fantastic. Very friendly. Displays get changed around a lot. You can play checkers here. Take your time. Enjoy this place. So right next door is Poppy's. They have alpaca goods like socks and sweaters. And then just a little bit further is the country store, the Poor Farmers Market. It is not poor, but it's very cool. Beautifully displayed, and so take your time looking on what's outside before you go in. A lot of refrigerated items like cheese and local cheese, and they have the spreads and the jams and the honey, as well as the flour and the beans. So this is a great country store. I enjoyed browsing, buying some things, and yeah, just odd and unusual things too, just like the other store. So this is a fun place to go if it's raining or you just want to browse looking for a gift. Again, it's right off the Blue Ridge Parkway. So they also had a little section for vintage. I thought that was kind of cool, and a very large section for just kitchenware. But don't forget to go here and order yourself a sandwich. The food is very good. And you can eat your Poor Farmer's sandwich right outside or inside. But when you're outside, you might realize you forgot some local produce. And don't forget to pick it up, because I just love the way it's displayed, and it's really reasonable prices too. So as you're leaving the Poor Farmers Market, there are a few more stores here at Meadows of Dan that I haven't completely checked out, but you can cross the street, check those out, leave your information in the comments below. I know that there's a bakery, and that bakery has Wi-Fi, and also across the street they also sell gas. The Poor Farmers Market sells gas as well as across the street. And you can see a visitor center, and the visitor center was helpful too. They had some pamphlets. So this is Meadows of Dan. And I got back in my car and I made a right, and with just a very short period of time, I got to Nancy's Candy Company, or Factory Outlet Store. Yes, this is a candy outlet store, and you get to have a factory tour. I haven't had that yet. It's open all the time, and they have fudge, they have all sorts of chocolates, very helpful staff, very kind. And you can look at the things on display, like the Jelly Bellies. Yeah, enjoy yourself here. I really had a lot of fun looking at the unique types of candy that they have. And of course, they're seasonal. I was there around the Halloween time, so things obviously get changed up as the seasons change too. So again, there's a factory tour, and they also have a video on display talking about the company. Super cool. So I got in the car and I went right and then another right. So I got to the lavender store or shop, and it's not open on Mondays. I have been there in the summertime and it was super cool, but I wanted to show that to you. So check out Meadows of Dan, especially if you're on the Blue Ridge Parkway. It is really pretty here, and just a really friendly place to go shopping. And then you can get right back on it and enjoy the beauty. This is Buffalo Mountain in the distance here. So thank you so much for tuning in, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. And yeah, leave some comments below. Take care.